This is the Bosch CSM 180 18-volt metal circular saw, a compact tool that delivers big results. Bosch designed and engineered the motor and gearing specifically for longevity in metal cutting. Whether you work in electrical, plumbing, pipe fitting, or metal framing, this tool will make your job much easier with fast, clean, and easy cuts through threaded rods to steel studs and sheet material. Weighing in at just 5.8 pounds with a fat pack battery and a compact design makes this tool easy to handle and keeps you from getting fatigued on the job. The steel footplate with intuitive cut line guide and LED light help ensure accuracy, while the custom designed 30-tooth Bosch carbide blade makes fast and clean cuts. Advanced motor and cell electronics help prevent overheating and overloading to extend the life and runtime of the tool. A convenient multi-position saw hook is built in and allows for easy placement after use.
Get power, accuracy, and big cutting capacity without the cord. The 18-volt X2 LXT 36-volt brushless 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw with laser. It's powered by two 18-volt batteries for maximum performance and runtime. For carpenters and woodworkers, this miter saw delivers corded performance with the convenience and portability of cordless. The efficient brushless motor is engineered for longer runtime, increased power and speed, and longer tool life. With up to 334 cuts of 2x lumber on a single charge, you might work for days without a charge.
I'm very impressed on the runtime. It's a lot longer than I thought it was going to be. We actually went through a full day without going through a full set of batteries. I was pretty impressed with that.
The biggest benefit for me is when we're on new construction sites and having to share a power pole, we typically don't have enough power. So going cordless now, it's not an issue. And the power that this thing provides off the two batteries, we've gone at least a couple days before having to change out the batteries. So it's been fantastic to not have a cord anymore.
You also get big capacity. It cuts up to 6 5/8 inch crown nested and 5 1/4 inch base vertical, and will cross cut a 4x12. These are capacity numbers that will have you leaving your big 12-inch saw behind. The two steel rail sliding system has a single slide guide operation for smooth and accurate cutting. The reduced footprint allows the saw to be positioned flush against the wall. There are 6 positive miter stops, and the bevel lock is located in the front of the saw for easy access and quick adjustments. Added features include a large base, electric brake, and a direct drive system that enables smoother startups and consistent, constant power with no belts to slip or replace. For improved dust extraction, connect your vacuum system and put the dual dust collection ports to work.
What we have here is the Hilti SC06 A22 cordless cutout tool. This tool is used primarily in the interior finishing trades. It's one of the only cordless cutout tools on the market that delivers the power of a corded tool in a cordless package.
Well, I really like the Hilti. It's easy to handle. It's really comfortable. It's not heavy on the back or on the front. When you cut it, it doesn't vibrate or shake in your hand. Follows the metal nice and smooth, real fast.
I can see why people recommend it because it has a whole lot of power, it's easy to use.
Y realmente la diferencia de esta, poder mucho más power. Y me siento más a gusto con esta.
This is the first time I've ever routed through 2 layers at the same time. Even putting a lot of pressure on the tool slowed it down very little.
Plus you got the 2 lights besides. A lot of them only have 1 light, so then you get that shadow effect. Where this one kind of balances the shadow.
So what we've experienced with the SEO is incredible work per charge. So they're not actually going to the charger nearly as often, which in turn just gives you a lot more productivity.
It's always kind of nice when you get to a job and you just click on the battery and you get to see how much power you got.
You don't want to just grab a battery, go up 20 flights of stairs, and all of a sudden find out you got to go back downstairs. It's not fun.
We haven't charged the battery for like a whole 2 days.
No drywall dust will get inside this motor, which allows it to have extreme lifetime. But then also with these exhaust vents in the front, it also blows out away from the user's face. So the material's being blown away as you cut, so you get a really clear sight line of where you're cutting. This is the only cordless cutout tool on the market that offers a 2-year commercial use wear and tear warranty.
I think they make the better tools all around. They last longer. Their batteries last longer.
Hands down a lot better than any other ones I've ever used.
The power, the longevity, the dust, the control, everything about it. It's after they see the value, they will not put it down.
Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion reciprocating tiger saw, PCC670B, part of the new growing linked system of high-performance tools. This tiger saw delivers the speed of cut demanded by the user with a high-performance drivetrain, 1-inch stroke length, and up to 3,000 strokes per minute. At 14.5 inches in length, the PCC670 is a compact and lightweight reciprocating saw that fits in between studs and easily works in tight areas. A twist-lock tool-free blade change with exposed access takes the hassle out of blade changes. This tool also features a pivoting shoe to keep the saw in contact with cutting material, a variable speed trigger to provide optimum control over cutting applications, and comfortable over-mold grips to reduce vibration and fatigue. 20-volt max 1.5 amp-hour or 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the compact and the max pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. The new 20-volt max tiger saw reciprocating saw delivers speed of cut, compact size, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want.
You're a professional who wants to think slows you down. You need a nailer that has the power to deliver non-stop nailing. The new Passload Cordless XP framing system delivers. With the power to handle your workload in a system that handles the elements. With 15% more power, the Cordless XP framer drives nails flush, less standing nails for more productivity. This kind of power drives nails into harder woods, even LVLs, without a problem. And with the new all-season formula framing fuel, the XP keeps working even when the temperature dips as low as 14 degrees. For high-quality jobs, better productivity, and more profit, pros choose Passload.
Power and the consistency of the cordless concrete nailer, it surprises you because you look at it and you think it's going to have a powerful recoil, and then when you press it, it's very soft and gentle, so you can just keep on going without having to worry about a recoil.
Yeah, concrete nailer is really good, consistent, fast, and easy to use. I think it's one of the best in the business. The projects we've been using this product for are tracks. It actually keeps up with the steel and the concrete, so it's good with both.
My name is Ricardo Solorzano. I work for Now Specialties, and I've been in the trade for 10 years. So, you know, it still have the washers on them, doing the same thing as a power actuated.
When we're using the concrete nailer, it's actually a gain of productivity and doesn't slow us down, it makes us go faster.
I could change the battery real easy and just keep on going without having a missing time of work.
What I do like about the new Dewalt nailer is, you know, you can use your battery that you already use on with your cordless, just swap it on, put it on, and you're ready to go. You know, ever since I've been working in construction, I've used Dewalt. It's a great products. They come out with new products and great products.